Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve the API-Ms-Win-Crt-Stdio is missing from your computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So I'm going to have a link in the description of the video to a Microsoft website here for the Visual C++ redistributable package for Visual Studio. You want to select the correct language here and then select download. So 64 will be for the 64-bit version of Windows, so you want to select that if you're running a 64-bit operating system. Otherwise, if you're running a 32-bit operating system, you want to select the x86 version. And once you've made your selection, select the next button. And it will take a couple moments to download, so just be patient here. It's about 13 megabytes, so hopefully it won't be too long of a download for you guys to have to wait around for. And once it's done, depending on what web browser you're using, you want to just open it up and run it. So I'm going to just left click on that one time. You get a file notice here. Do you want to run the file? I'm going to select run. You want to agree to the end user license terms and conditions once you're done looking through it, and then select install. If you receive a user account control prompt, select yes. You can see it's a verified publisher from the Microsoft Corporation. So again, select yes. Shouldn't take very long here at all. And setup successful. So close out of here, restart your computer, and hopefully that should have resolved the problem. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.